Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. Now we have a new listing. This is 2,000 square meters with a clean title at 1,800 pesos per square meter. Located here in Barangay Binaliw, Cebu City. So it's an overlooking property facing sea view. So if we can clean this all, kung makuha yung mga harang dyan guys, so ano na, sea view. Then bandang dito guys medyo nag-sloping na tayo, sloping na, pero there's still a big portion of flat terrain which you can build a house. So the property has 25 mango trees, 12 coconut trees, there is a pomelo na isantol, guyabano. This is guyabano guys. There is a guyabano, no?
Sambag.
Sambag. Oh, there's a sambag. So see, it's really affordable, no? 1,800 pesos per square meter. Binaliw yun. After Pitos, for example, you are very familiar with Talamban, Cebu City. After Talamban is Binaliw, Pitos. Then Binaliw. Then here in Binaliw guys, there are so many subdivisions already. Yeah, usually the pricing here in Binaliw is 2,500 pesos per square meter. It's in the BIR. Makikita natin yan sa BIR guys. As for the example, no, we have some deals previously. The owner is selling at 3 million. Then the size is 5,000 square meters. Upon our transfer in the BIR, the BIR have based the 2,500 pesos per square meter. So that is the situation. So this one is 1,800. It's really affordable. So this is affordable. Pero actually here is flat. Then going to the road, there is a road right of way. So going to the road, it's sloping guys, it's sloping. Okay, I will let you see, no? Nagpaubos, pababa na siya, is downhill. So here you can see, no, there is you have a neighbor, no? So there's no problem with the boundary because it was already there is a perimeter fence temporarily, no? Temporary. So there's pomelo, guyabano, then santol, puungon. Then so owner is not around. Not around good, honestly, no? So ang kagandahan dito guys sa Binaliw ay malapit lang siya sa city. Imagine you can buy this around 1,800 per square meter. That is their price, the price of the seller, no? I think if you want to negotiate, I don't know, but that is what they have told us, no? So here comes the boundary line, no? Okay. So flat dito, parang isang mountain. Pagdating mo sa itaas is flat already, so meaning you can build a house, no? So here you can see, no, this is the boundary line, the big Gemelina tree. So if you are going to plant build a house, no problem, there's already a Gemelina tree, no? Nagko kayo, it's big. Then sambag, then here comes the lumboy, the one that we will make into cigarette. So gawin yang sigarilyo yung dahon ng lumboy. It's like a grapes, no? So malapit lang talaga siya guys, no? At it's really around 4. So ito ay hindi na ito kasama sa property guys. Tiningnan lang natin kung anong makikita natin kasi ito ay open area. So ganito, no, makikita natin yung Cebu City. Oh, baka Lapu-Lapu yan. So yun, Cebu talaga, Cebu. Yeah, remember, this is Cebu City. Ito po, hindi ito kasama guys ha. Yun po ay maraming kahoy doon. So kitang kita yung dagat kasi kadalasan yung mga buyers, yung mga foreigners natin, mga kaibigan natin, gusto nila nang makikita yung dagat. Pwede pa makita natin yung Bohol. Sino yung taga Bohol? Yung mga may asawa na taga Bohol. Ito yung Pomelo guys. Okay. Pomelo. Guyaban no, sorry. Uy, pasig apil pa rin diri ko. Kaya di pa man diri ang boundary oh. So, this kuan guys, bamboo trees are included. Siya natin oh. See? Gawa ka ng cottage dito. Pwede ka magbagawa ng mountain resort. So ito po yung boundary guys no. Kitang kita no. So ito guys, pa downhill na tayo hanggang kalsada. So papunta tayo sa kalsada oh. So ginawa ng may-ari yun noon kasi parang balak niyang mag rest house siguro. Ito oo. Parang nag-script na siya no. Kung i-ano natin talaga to, i-develop, pwede magawa ng ano. Tao na lang. So see? Pa downhill na tayo guys. Pababa no, may coconut oh. Gusto mong lamaw. Yung lamaw sa amin sa Bohol, yung lamaw yung mga sobra-sobra sa mga restaurant. Pero dito sa Cebu, ang lamaw nila yung butong ba, yung buko na inano nila. Laos baboy yung lamaw. Sa amin sa Bohol, laos baboy yun, laos baboy. Pagkain ng baboy. So, pa downhill tayo guys oh. So, maganda ang location natin oh. Marinig natin yung mga ingay ng motorsiklo. So, yun po, doon po ang kalsada oh, makikita natin. Kita yung motorsiklo, yun po. Kalsada. Maganda kasi ang lupa guys, hindi basta-basta landslide kasi ito ay diorite no. Diorite, matigas. Matigas yung ano, yung parang so may ano pa. So maganda dito pag putulin mo yung mga mangga no. You cut the trees or mango trees or gawa ka ng mga rest house dito. So really nice no. So may mga banana trees, ito po yung mga kapitbahay natin. Nandyan lang sa baba no. So again, Binaliw, Cebu City is really very close from Cebu City guys. So marami kang magagawa dito, maggawa ka ng mga bahay no. So no problem. Yung tao natin, yung kaibigan natin pumunta na sa bandang kalsada na yan. Slightly sloping lang yung talaga yung property. So kitang kita no, kalsada na yan no. Motorsiklo oh. So ito po yung daanan guys. So yan. Then i-develop lang natin to. Maganda na to guys. Oh, papunta taas. Oh, taas. So ito po yung ang entrance, medyo maliit pero at least papunta na sa taas, no? So ayan po guys, pag ma-develop natin yan, super ganda yung property natin binibenta. Okay, again, so doon sa kalsada, hanggang dito na tayo guys, no? So, see, for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Ang forma, ang hugis ng lupa is rectangular, narrow, a little bit narrow sa front, and then unti-unti siyang lumalaki papuntang itaas. So okay lang yan kasi parang ganyan, no? Maging right of way mo yan, no? Okay, again, thank you very much. Then if you have kung meron kang properties na ibibenta, just contact me at 0917-1133711 or 0929-641-9733. Just message me. Thank you. Bye. New hair tayo ngayon.